That's from Papa.
Papa?
Yeah.
No, she's not. But tired of this rain.
Can you open it? Rip it open.
Oh, okay. Well, that's not all bad. Yeah,
What is it?
It's
It's Dora?
Yeah.
Do you know who got that for you? Papa.
Papa?
Yeah.
oh, I'm sure. Yeah.
It's a book.
Maybe they got bent a little.
And you can go dancing. Look at this. Should we open it all the way? You can push the buttons. Ooh.
Oh my God.
Do you like it?
Yeah, probably.
Can you say thank you, Papa?
Thank you, Papa.
Say I love you, Papa.
Jerry took off his back on the bowl.
Say I love you, Papa.
Hello, Papa.
Say hi.
Now that's for sure.
Hi.
Love you.